Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable compact mode in Zen Browser. It's a very easy guide. All you need to do is just launch up your Zen Browser, and then here on the left hand panel you'll see your toolbar. I want you to click on anywhere in this toolbar, just right click, and then you get this set of options, and here you'll actually see enable compact mode. I want you to just go ahead and click on it, and as you can see, this one actually collapsed. And if I come back here, hover over it, right click again, as you can see, there's a check mark next to enable compact mode. And if you want to turn it off again, just go ahead and click on it again. As you can see, it has been turned off. Another way, you can just come here at the top left, click on these three dots, click here on settings, come here to look and feel, and you can choose collapsed sidebar. This is another option that you can go ahead and use. So it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Quick Fix